Crypto is beginning to get regulatory clarity all around the world. Even China has surprised the world launching crypto ETFs. A Hong Kong court recently declared crypto as digital property, and most recently, the EU just passed landmark crypto regulation for Europe. Unfortunately, the United States is beginning to fall behind as the head of the SEC, Gary Gensler, seems to be trying to hold crypto back. Most recently, he's claiming pretty much all cryptos are securities and must be regulated as such. However, following is a clip from a graduate course at MIT. Gary Gensler was a professor at MIT at the time, and is this hypocritical? I'll let you decide.
So we already know in the US and in many other jurisdictions that 3/4 of the market are not what would be called securities. Even in the US, Canada, and Taiwan, the three jurisdictions that follow something similar to the Howey test that we've talked about, 3/4 of the market is non-securities. It's just a commodity, a cash crypto. So you'll hear debates about initial coin offerings and what's a security and what's not a security. Relevant and important debate, but for 3/4 of the market, it's not particularly relevant as a legal matter, as a regulatory matter.